Hey, Scarpy fans! I'm so excited. I have finally ordered a wild hair kit. I have been wanting to order one since I first heard about the wild hair kits on the Scrap Gals podcast. I have been using Stitch Fix to have a personal shopper to shop for clothes for me, which was super fun. And I thought it was such a great idea to have a personal shopper shop for my scrapbooking supplies. Because when all the new goodies come out, like at Creativation, and you see all the beautiful colors and the pretty designs, and then you go and try and shop, and there's little pieces here and little pieces there, and you don't know what to pick. So I figured it would be so much easier to have someone do the shopping for me. So here's my unboxing of my very first wild hair kit. So when you order a wild hair kit, they have you fill out your style profile where they give you some pictures to look at and you decide which pictures you really love and which ones you don't love. And there's different colors and patterns. Mine were different pictures of scrapbooking collections. And I think now they have all different images to pick from to kind of get an idea of your style. So I did that. And then they ask you about what projects you might have coming up. And since this was my first kit, I just kind of listed everything that I had been working on now. So I do my Project Life everyday scrapbooking in 6x8 pocket page albums. And so I do layouts in there and also pocket pages. I do 12x12 albums. My kids are teenagers, so I don't want things for little kids. I've got high schoolers and listed some of their activities that they do. And then I also have a traveler's notebook that I'm finishing up from a trip we took last year to Cancun, Mexico. And I have a bunch of albums going where I've got various beach and Disney vacations that I'm trying to finish scrapping up, and those are 12x12. And they also want to know any other things about your style that you want to share. So I love bright colors and geometrics and whimsical alphas and die cuts, but I don't like things too cutesy. Again, I don't have little kids, so I don't want things to be too cute. I like contemporary looking florals, but I don't really like vintage styles. And I also said I was tired of feathers and butterflies because I had gotten some kits in the past that happened to have a lot of those in them, and I'm trying to use them up because I'm all done with them. So now let's unbox my wild hair kit, which just arrived today, and let's see how they did with putting together a kit that met all or some of my requirements. Let's see. Okay, here it is. Came in this lovely sturdy cardboard pack with the Wild Hair Kit logo on it. So I already cut open this, but I haven't peeked inside yet. So let's see what we've got. So exciting. All right, so I can already see some nice bright colored stars. My bright colors that I asked for. Let's open this up. Right. Oh, nice little note. Says, "Hi Tiffany, thank you for ordering. We hope you love our bright, colorful kit. Yay! We made sure to include papers from Mexico. The geometric tiles and Caribbean cut apart are perfect. Some for teens and some that are good for a variety of projects. Great, that's exactly what I need. We also sent some Disney flair and a versatile alpha stamp set. Yay! As well as some other flat embellies to help with your traveler's notebook. Oh, that's great, because the traveler's notebook I don't want to be too bulky. Lastly, we included our February exclusive cut file. Enjoy, Allison." Yay! So excited. All right, so what do we have? Oh, here's the stamp set they talked about, and that's awesome. All right, so this is from Crate Paper Oasis stamp set, and I've actually been thinking it would be a great idea to have a small alpha stamp set for making titles and quick little words rather than having to go to my computer to print something out. So that is awesome. This is something that I've been thinking about ordering and never did, and they hit it right on the money. Got some sequins from Spiegelman Scraps, and oh, great blue colors. This will be great for my beach, and blues and greens, and also some looks like opalescent kind of clear ones. Those will be great for anything. Awesome. This is the sorting hat from Spiegel Mom Scraps. Awesome. A little glassine bag here with some, this must be the Disney flares. So we've got happy place, mousing around, good times, magical, and favorite ride. Awesome. Those will be great for my Disney 12 by 12 pages. All right, we've got some Vicki Boutin mixed media die cut frames. Ooh, those look like fun. And again, some bright colors. Ooh, some great like tags and labels. Be great for a little journaling. Some words, love and hey. Those will be fun. Put this up and take a look. Yeah, opening packages, always fun. There we go. Oh yeah, these are going to be awesome. Some great words. I love note and some cool little tags, arrows, some frames. Oh, these will be perfect. And they're nice and flat too. And ooh, there's some oranges in here, which is great because the Traveler's Notebook from Mexico that I started has a lot of oranges and yellows in it. So those will be perfect. These are awesome. Oh, places we go, things we do. Perfect. So those are Vicki Boutin. Got some jelly bean soup. Little sticky labels, different words, happy, thanks, always, sweet, together, love, hugs, smile, hello, and you. And again, some nice yellows and oranges I could use in my Traveler's Notebook, but those are great for anything. Oh, yay, some Pink Fresh Studio enamel dots. I love enamel dots for embellishment, so those will be great. Oh, a little note from them. Perfect. Oh, and these are awesome. Nice, bright colored stars, and I love stars. Stars I can use anywhere on any layout. These are Pink Fresh Studios Puppy Star stickers. Those are going to be totally perfect for all kinds of layouts that I make. Oh, and then we've got some 6x6 papers. Oh, I love this. This is so cool. I love the little words. It says hello, capture with a little camera, grow with a little plant, treat with an ice cream. Love this paper is so, so cute. I love kind of little details like that, and this is awesome. It's just that kind of touch of whimsy that I love. That's great. And then some great other 6x6 patterns, and I love 6x6 papers. 6x6 is a great size. It works great in my 6x8 albums, and it also works awesome in my Traveler's Notebook. And there is the cut file. Oh, this is really cute. I could even see putting it on this on top of paper, like the ombre paper that is right behind it. So let's take a look and see. So this is a crepe paper, pattern paper with like a watercolor wash on one side and some leaves on the other. This one's from the Maggie Holmes Florist collection, the Anne paper. That's great. Oh, and this is cute. This is, let's go with the, kind of looks like the same kind of little plants in the 6x6 paper. We've got some books. It says Pink Fresh Studios, Let Your Heart Decide. Oh, I love this, and these are great colors. And it's kind of a lined background on the second side. Oh, look at this. School Spirit. Oh, so this will be good for some school pages. We've got a graduation little tab plus some school spirit. My daughter's been looking for colleges and getting ready to graduate, so these will be great on some pages for those. Excellent. And some nice graph paper on the back, which always is useful. This is Bella Boulevard Pop Quiz. And then this is kind of darker blues, different stripes, and with some butterflies on the back. But you know what? These butterflies are cool. They're a little more contemporary and not quite so realistic. And I kind of like that. And otherwise, it almost looks just like a pattern. And then when you look close, you can see it's butterflies. But that's really cool. This is Pink Paisley, Paige Evans. Yeah, like that. Oh, and here's another Bella Boulevard with some different strips. This one on the Caribbean theme, so this will be great for some of my beach pages and also for the Mexico Traveler's Notebook. That will be great. And oh, some geometrics on the back. Oh, this will also be good for my Traveler's Notebook pages. And I love the colors. Chamel box of crayons, and this camera paper is awesome. And Chamel always has such bright colors, and she's one of my favorite designers. And I was hoping I might get some box of crayons, and that's awesome. Oh, and look at this green with kind of whimsical dots on them. Oh, that's awesome. I love this paper. And this one is Pink Fresh Studios, a case of the Blas, and some kind of green, like asymmetrical scallops there. Oh, and some words on the back. So, oh, this is different. This is the important thing is just showing up. So kind of, the case of the Blas for those days that aren't quite the greatest day ever or the best day ever. So, oh, that's a great idea, and I love the color. Oh, more box of crayons with some great cut aparts I could use in my everyday 6x8 pocket page albums or on 12x12 pages. These are great. Oh, look at the little puppy dog. So cute. Create today. And this cute little chameleon. That's adorable. And again, a dotty paper on the back. I love that. That's awesome. And a nice kind of mostly solid blue with kind of a subtle dot pattern to it. Ooh, and like a watercolor splash on the back. Vicky Boutin, all the good things. Oh, that is really neat. And again, bright colors. I just love bright colors. These are going to be so much fun to play with. Oh, and the last piece of paper is another Chamel box of crayons. This is gorgeous. Again, geometrics and really bright colors. Love this. And some really, oh, these are great. Love the dots on the back. Oh, and these cute little dogs on the bottom in the branding strip. That's so adorable. Well, my goodness, this has been just perfect. There are lots of bright colors and patterns and cute little whimsical pieces in there, and some great die cuts that are flat. They'll go in Traveler's Notebook. These are all things that I love, and a stamp set that I didn't even mention that I was thinking of getting, and they got it right off the bat, and some cool sequins, and I love sequins. This is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. I didn't have to shop for myself. They did the shopping for me, and they picked out that stuff, some stuff that I know I can use. So I can't wait to start using these on all of my different projects. Thanks for popping into my unboxing video, and I hope maybe you might have a chance to try a wild hair kit. I certainly would recommend it. This is exactly what I was hoping for. All right, well, from Scrappy Fangirl, I'll say goodbye. I'm definitely fangirling over the wild hair kits, and I'm excited to use it. So have a good day. Bye.